Hey, welcome back. It's Christy from Christy Planning Out, and today we're on day 18 of the Advent calendar, and we have this beautiful purple packaging. At this point, I'm not saving stickers, some more pretty paper, and today the shop that provided this collab event item. Let's see. Here we go. Let's get everything out. All right, so I'm trying to find out. Okay. So the name of this shop is Nerds the Word Sticker Company, and they can be found at nerdsthewordStickerco.com. And so this is Bloom with Grace, and there's some full box deco stickers with some quarter boxes and half boxes. And we have days of the week with the weekend banner and the date covers and some additional boxes. And so that's a whole kit for your planner spread. And then also included was this pretty girl that with her farm tools and a plant and monthly goals with a little family on the couch, some pretty tulips, and then Nerds the Word. These are like ink swatch stickers. So, and that's pretty. That's really cute. What a nice set. So this is day 18 of the Advent collab event. I purchased this kit with my own money. I wanted to make sure I get a disclaimer. Announced that they were doing the sale. I ordered it back in September. And so I'm trying to get that extra content because I had a couple questions come in. But I thank you for spending time with me and coming back every day. And I hope to talk to you tomorrow.